Russ here, RVerTV. How you doing today? Okay, we're gonna make a left here on Central, which is AZ95. Gonna head up here. We're gonna check out Jolly and Plomosa Road camp areas. See how busy they are. As you seen in yesterday's video, the campgrounds, there's quite a bit of room out, but once again, they will fill up. It's a mass of RVs that hit the town here soon. And yes, I'll go check out Scadan Wash. That'll be probably Monday or Tuesday. But with everything going on out there, that'd be my last choice if you're looking for something that's empty. Once again, this is about request about where I can camp multiple people, like small groups. So let's go check it out. Okay, right there to the left, that's a QUARTZSITE transfer station where you can take your trash for free. Anybody out at the LTVAs or any of the campgrounds, you can bring it in. They're open Sunday through Wednesday. I did a video about that. So check out some of the older videos about the BLM camping. I did a whole series on that as well. Alright, getting close. Up here on the right is Jolly. I'm going to go past them first. Then on my way back from Plomosa Road, we will stop and fly the drone there. But you can see off to the right, there are quite a few rigs right up here along the road. Right here's the entrance for it. Well, let's go on up to Plomosa. We'll check that out. Then come back to this one. Now, Plomosa is real big rig friendly. You can really bring in the big boys up here, big RVs, motorhomes, big fifth wheels. It's pretty flat. They have great access dirt roads all over the place. Great ATV in too. There's a big one that just left. Okay, we're gonna make a right. This is Plomosa Road. This will actually take you all the way over to Bouse. Then right here on the right is where the host is, and look at that, he's set up. They are issuing permits here. So you can get a permit for, and this is 14-day free camp area. Okay, I don't know how well you can see all the motorhomes off to the left? Maybe not. When I fly the drone, it will look better. But there's a lot of big rigs out here. Very well kept road. You get great cell reception out here. You can also pick up TV channels with the right antenna. This is very popular, and stargazing is perfect. I'm a mile down the road or so. There's a big rig right in front of me. He's looking. He's gonna find a place. But I'm gonna pull off here and then launch a drone. Get a little bit of aerial. Show you what it looks like. But off to the left, I see a lot of rigs. This is probably busier than Dome Rock for sure. So far, Roadrunner and Dome Rock had quite a bit of room. But you can see, I mean, it's a massive, all these campgrounds are massive. You can fit a lot of rigs out here. A lot of people like to spread out so they don't hear the generators and all that running, dogs barking. So, all right, let me get parked, get the drone up, and we'll take a look. Be back. All right, up we go. That is Plomosa Road there. Now you can get a little better idea. See all the rigs out there? You got quite a ways too. It varies the width. This stretch of BLM is from Arizona 95 going towards Bouse is 3 miles long. Most of the area can camp on both sides of the road. That's looking straight down towards 95. But you can see there's a ton of room. Lots of room to camp. We're about in the middle of it. Now, if you look farther down, those are probably groups down there camping. But it's still very spread out. So there's a ton of room out here in Plomosa yet. Look at that view. Isn't that pretty? Got the mountains. Now, over that mountain pass, when you get on the other side over towards Bouse, there's a 12-mile stretch of BLM land that you can camp all over. But there's a good look. This is Plomosa Road BLM area. 14-day, and it is free to camp here. So if you're heading to QUARTZSITE for the shows, definitely got room here. Okay, get this thing landed, and we're going to head on down to Hi Jolly. We'll backtrack a little bit. Well, it's just a great look from up there. Most people, when they boondock, they don't want to be too close to each other unless you're in a group. They kind of spread out pretty good because you don't want to hear the other guy's generator running and dogs barking and all that. So most people stay fairly spread out. Don't want to get super busy, of course. You're not going to have much of a choice. But most of the people that come in for the big shows, they're not staying. Normally they come in and camp a few days and they're gone. Yuma or wherever they go. Some follow the RV shows. There's vendors that'll come in and stay out here. Just all different kinds. Okay, let's get back on Plomosa Road here. And we're roughly, 8-10 miles from QUARTZSITE, somewhere around there. There's a whole C+, Class A, rigs everywhere. When we get closer to the big tent, you're really going to see these roads get filled up. But see where that van pulled in? See, they got access everywhere. This is a great camp area, Plomosa Road. You're not as close as the other ones to town, but very popular and once again, very big rig friendly. And there's the host on the left-hand side. We're almost up here to 95. What a pretty day. Nice temperature. Supposed to be a chance of rain later. Then turning back clear. Perfect winter weather. This is perfect boondocking weather. Perfect camping. Another great season here in QUARTZSITE. Okay, we'll go right back down here. I will pull off to the right side of the road and we'll fly the drone and check out Hi Jolly real quick. Hi Jolly is probably the smallest of all the camp areas. But it's popular. It is close to town. Also, don't forget about the state trust land on Tyson. There's camping available there, but that's not free. It's $15 for 2 weeks. Okay, campgrounds right to the left. Let me pull off in here. Get away from them power lines. I'll launch a drone. We'll take a quick look from the air. Be right back. Okay, up we go. That's looking north towards, that'd take you up towards Parker. And there's Hi Jolly. You can see there's a lot of rigs in there. And it goes back quite a ways, but that's about the width of it. It's not the biggest camp area for BLM. Very popular though, because it's so close to town. A lot of people will stay there, and that's looking back towards QUARTZSITE. Remember that cell tower right there? That's where the transfer station, where you can haul your trash for free. Then straight off out that direction is the state trust land and QUARTZSITE. Pan back over. There's a few rigs here. My recommendation would be, if you want a little farther out of town, to be Roadrunner or Plomosa, and then Dome Rock. That's a good area too. The only downside to Dome Rock is you'll get more traffic noise. You will hear the freeway, the interstate from there. And straight down, that trailer straight down, that is the host there. And you do check in this one. Once again, all these are 14-day free camping. And there's your bird's eye look at Hi Jolly BLM. Okay, I hope this helps. That's a look at the 4 major 14-day free campgrounds. Once again, I'll go out to Scadan Wash. I do not recommend going out there with all the events. The place is going to be a zoo, I'll guarantee you that. Unless that's where you want to be. Good luck. I will fly that probably Monday. Let this storm front come in and pass. Okay, today is Sunday. Today's the last day for the Rock and Gem show at Tyson. Then they transform that thing into the Cellarama. And that's something to see, all them vendors setting up. Next 4 days is going to be a circus there. Guess what? I'm going to film it. Why not? Be fun. You'll like seeing it. It's all good fun, too. Vendors are good. Alright, this is Russ. I'm going to sign off now. Hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget to travel safe. Talk soon. Take care.